How to resolve eSIM no service issue on Android. So in order to resolve this eSIM service or no service issues, you need to first of all restart your device. A simple restart on your device can solve different kinds of issues on your device. Simply hold on a power button on your device. And here you will see the restart button. Simply slide towards restart to restart your device. Once you do this, you need to simply reset the network settings. For that, open settings on your device. And on the help of the or with the help of the search bar at top of the screen, type in reset. And you need to wait for a while until that option appears on your screen. Here you got the option of reset network settings. Tap on it. Now tap on reset network settings and you need to enter your password or enter your fingerprint. Now tap reset network settings and your network settings will be reset. Lastly, you need to update your software so that you can fix the issue. For that, again, hop into the settings page on your device and tap on the search bar again and type in updates. Again, wait for a moment until the software update option gets listed here. So tap on software update, and if you see any updates for your software, you will get download and install option. As my software has already been up to date, so there is no any download and install button. If you have one, you need to tap on it and make it to the updated version. So once you do or follow all the steps, your eSIM no service issue on Android will be resolved. So hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.